Let me ask you something. How many times have you sat down full of motivation, ready to crush your goals, and then, hours later, you realized you barely got anything done? It's not because you're lazy. It's not because you're not smart. The problem is, you don't have a system. See, motivation fades, but systems keep you moving forward even on the days you don't feel like it. That's why today I'm going to walk you step by step through how to build your own productivity system, a system that works for your brain, your life, and your goals. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear plan you can start using immediately. Step 1. Get clear on what actually matters. Most people waste time being busy instead of being productive. The first step to any productivity system is clarity. Ask yourself, what are the top 3 things that actually matter in your life right now? Not 30 things, just 3. This could be building your business, getting healthier, and improving your relationships. Everything else? It's secondary. If you don't start with clarity, you'll end up organizing distractions instead of focusing on priorities. Step 2. Create a capture system. Your brain is not meant to hold ideas. It's meant to use them. That's why you need a capture system. This can be as simple as a notes app on your phone, a notebook, or a tool like Notion, Evernote, or Google Keep. The rule is simple. The moment you think of something, an idea, a task, a reminder, you capture it. Don't rely on memory. Productivity dies when your brain is cluttered with open loops. Step 3. Break big goals into actionable steps. Here's where people mess up. They set goals like write a book or start a business. But those aren't tasks, they're mountains. Your productivity system should break mountains into pebbles. Example, instead of write a book, your system says, outline chapter 1. Write 500 words today, edit tomorrow. Simple, clear, actionable. That's how momentum is built. Step 4. Time blocking and energy management. Here's a truth bomb. Productivity is less about managing time and more about managing energy. A real productivity system includes time blocks that match your natural energy levels. If you're most alert in the morning, block mornings for your hardest work. Use afternoons for meetings or admin tasks, evenings for learning or creative projects. Protect your energy like it's money, because it is. Step 5. Build a weekly review ritual. Systems fall apart without maintenance. That's why every great productivity system has a review ritual. Once a week, Sunday evening, Monday morning, whenever works, you sit down and review what you did last week. Look at what's coming this week. Adjust priorities. This keeps your system fresh and stops you from falling into chaos. Step 6. Automate and delegate. Here's the mistake smart people make. They think they have to do everything themselves. But productivity isn't about doing more. It's about doing less of the wrong things. Automate repetitive tasks with tools. Delegate things that don't need your brain. Free up your time for the work that actually matters. That's how high performers operate. Step 7. Add accountability and rewards. Productivity systems fail when you only rely on willpower. Instead, add accountability. This could be a friend you check in with, a coach, or even just posting your progress online. And don't forget rewards. If you hit a milestone, celebrate it. Your brain loves rewards. It's what keeps you coming back to the system. Step 8. Keep it simple. Now here's the golden rule. Your productivity system should be simple enough that you actually use it. A messy system is worse than no system. Start with a notebook and a calendar. Once you've built consistency, then you can upgrade with fancy apps and tools. Don't complicate it. Simplicity wins. So here's the big takeaway. Building a productivity system isn't about squeezing more hours into your day. It's about creating a structure that makes progress inevitable. Capture everything. Break goals into steps. Block your time. Review weekly. Automate what you can. Stay accountable. Keep it simple. That's it. That's the system. Now imagine yourself 6 months from now, organized, focused, moving forward every single week. That's the power of a productivity system. And the best part, you can start building yours today.